They always say fruit is healthy, right? But what if I told you that some fruits, yes, the ones you probably eat every day, are actually making your legs weaker, especially as you get older? Don't click away, because in the next few minutes, you're going to find out which fruits could be hurting your legs, and what to eat instead to stay strong, balanced, and active. Let me tell you about Mr. Harold. He's 72 and used to walk every day. One morning, out of nowhere, his knees started hurting so badly he could barely stand. No injury, no fall, just pain and weakness. What caused it? Surprisingly, it was his usual breakfast, a bowl of mixed fruits he thought were healthy. But for seniors, certain fruits can actually trigger inflammation, joint pain, and muscle fatigue without you even realizing it. One example is bananas. While they seem healthy, especially when they're very ripe, they're packed with sugar that can lead to inflammation and stiffness in the legs. Grapes are another sneaky one. They're full of natural sugar that can hurt the nerves in your legs over time. Pineapple, though it has some benefits, is too acidic for many seniors and can make joint pain worse. Mangoes are super sweet and can mess with your blood sugar, leaving your muscles feeling tired. And dried fruits like raisins or dates. They're full of sugar and can actually pull water out of your body, making your joints feel dry and sore. As you get older, your joints and muscles naturally lose some strength. That's just part of aging. But when you eat fruits that are too high in sugar or acid, it speeds up the process. You may not notice it right away, but over weeks or months, you might feel more aches, more weakness, and less energy in your legs. The good news? Switching to fruits that are gentle on your body and full of nutrients can help you feel stronger and more stable. For Mr. Harold, all it took was changing his fruit choices. Instead of sugary and acidic fruits, he started eating ones that help fight inflammation and support muscle health. Within a month, the pain eased, and he was walking again, just like before. The change was simple, but it made a huge difference. So if you're over 60 and feeling a little more tired in your legs, don't ignore it. It could be something as simple as the fruit you're eating every day. Choose fruits that help your body, not ones that secretly slow you down. You've got the knowledge now. Use it to stay strong, walk with confidence, and feel good in your own body again. Share this with a friend or loved one who might need it. Your legs carry you through life. Treat them right, and they'll carry you far.